Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.
Essay, 5 ducks and the colorful buckets. In a sunny glade where the daisies sway, 5 little ducks set out to play. With quacks of joy and feathers so bright, they waddled along in the warm daylight. First came Quack with a bucket of blue. He leapt right in without any ado. Splash went the water, a shimmer so fine. Now Quack was azure, a sight divine. Next was Waddle, her heart full of glee. She spotted a bucket filled with bright green sea. With a hop and a flap, she dove in with cheer. Emerald waves danced as she disappeared. Then Dilly came forth with her eyes all aglow, a bucket of yellow that gleamed like the sun's show. Into the gold she twirled around and around. Now Dilly's like sunshine, so joyful and sound. Now Fluffy was next, he thought he would try. The red bucket beckoned, it caught his keen eye. With courage he jumped into crimson delight. Now Fluffy's flame shone, both daring and bright. Last little puddle stood shy on the side, but seeing her friends brought joy as their guide. Into purple she splashed with laughter so loud, a rainbow erupted, oh my, how they wowed. Together they danced in their colors so bold, in shades of the spectrum, a story retold. From blue to deep green and vibrant sunlight, their friendship painted each moment so bright. So remember, dear children, when you see colors swirl, like 5 little ducks who together unfurl, embrace every hue that life brings your way. For joy is much brighter when shared every day. In a sunny glade where the daisies sway, 5 little ducks set out to play. With quacks of joy and feathers so bright, they waddled along in the warm daylight. Hey!
That tickles. We love the water. Whee!
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.